guys, I'm back with the review of second novel. This is second in the Ramchandra series called Sita the Warrior of Mithila. So I guarantee you that your perspective of goddess Sita is going to change forever, because mine did. Before reading this book, I used to think that Sita had a feminine energy and she was not known of warrior skills. But after reading this novel, my perspective of Sita has changed completely. So Amish has written that Sita was a warrior. As you can see, it is mentioned here as well, warrior of Mithila. So she was very good with swords. She was a warrior, obviously. So she was also good with a police force. She was head of police force, you can say. She was prime minister. It is mentioned in this book that Sita was prime minister of Mithila. It has mentioned about Mithila as well. It has mentioned that quarters, it was called B quarter. Why B quarter? Because there were hexagonal shapes that were attached with each other. There were no streets, as in there were no gaps between the houses. So one had to go upward to find the door. Even the doors were not mentioned downwards, were not made downwards, I will say. So the enemy, if any enemy sees, so he will say that it is a dead end. He will not see the staircase, he will not see the doors at all. He will see it as a abandoned society. So it was a, you can say, defensive perspective. So it has mentioned so many details. I have become a fan of more and more of such books. If you are a reader, especially if you love to read mythological books, it is a must read. I will say this not only going to increase your knowledge about goddess Sita, but also going to give you very much details about how a writer can go with the flow and write so many things at the same time, and lets you feel all the emotions at the same time. And at the same time, your mind will be lingering with so many questions which will be answered later when you read all the books. So this is all about this one, and I will be back with a review of next novel. Bye.